up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If not, welcome back. Today I am going to the gym and I'm going to the car wash and I am taking y'all with me. Let's go. So my first stop is the gym. Thank you. So y'all, I'm about to go in the changing room at the gym and change because I want to work out in shorts and I got on pants. I'm always somewhere dancing. I gotta put my little gloves on because when I be lifting certain stuff, it hurt. It be leaving them little things right here on my fingers. Okay, y'all, I'm ready now.
Ain't no game off in this thing. We get deep off in your party. Call my niggas getting started. And when niggas be the hardest. So if a nigga come and run they mouth just like a hoe, hurt the bed up in his boat and stomp his ass I could.
Yeah, we nucky and bucky and ready to fight. I bet ya I'ma throw them with no haters left in the front. See me, I ain't nothing nice. And call my bitch ain't no nothing. Make me like my that's what they killer and that's all I'm in line. Like they said they got poppin' and I am acting the fool. I wish I had a wicked crunk up on this crime my crew. Now enough is enough. Why rough? It gets stuck. Why love is a bust. Why enough? If you fuck, why?
So I had to take a brief intermission, y'all. Auntie motherfucking tired, okay?
Broken bones lay alone, scattered across the concrete. Nothing if you bucking, you'll be judging if you get too low. In my eyes, you wasn't wise, I think it's time I know you hope.
I am done with the gym for today. Bow, 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 bow.
Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball.
Had a good workout, y'all. And I am out of here. It feels good outside too. Ooh, I don't know what the hell going on with my throat. It is so nice outside. Okay, y'all. So again, I'm done at the gym. I'm about to go home, shower. First, I'm gonna grab me something to eat from home. I don't know what's at my house to eat. I'm gonna figure something out. I guess. Oh, I can I can eat my leftover chicken curry that my friend fiance made. It was so good, y'all. And I got some left from last night. So yeah, I'm about to go eat that. Then I'm gonna shower. And then I'm gonna go to the car wash. And then I'm gonna just see how the rest of my day go. I gotta be at work at 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So yeah, I ain't gonna be out too late today. I gotta edit this video. I got another video I gotta record and edit. So yeah, I think my day is pretty much booked. see y'all in a minute when I get ready to wash my car. So y'all, I am back at home. I'm in my driveway and I gotta get these groceries out of here too. I'm about to see if I can make one trip minus the case of water. I might wait till later to bring the case of water in.
MT, you made this?
But yeah, I went to Kroger's earlier before I went to the gym. So now I got to take these groceries in the house. Look at my face. It look kind of fat to me. I need to do something to my edges. I ain't did my edges in a minute. But yeah, about to get these groceries out. Whew. Gotta get these groceries. I am so cute. What y'all say so? Y'all, this car is filthy, which is why I am going to the car wash today. It looked like somebody poured 50 pounds of flour or something on my car. Like, what the hell? Let's see if I can make one trip, y'all. Let's see. Oh, we might be getting somewhere. I don't know. I got them for work. I might leave my drinks in the car until later. I don't know. But I got everything else in one pot. Yes, I did. Okay, y'all, now it is time to put these groceries up. I didn't get a whole lot. I didn't go like complete grocery shopping. I just got a few things, a little bit. Y'all wanna see what I got? Y'all be keeping y'all Kroger bags? Cause I keep my Kroger bags. Y'all wanna see what I got? Got me a loaf of bread. I got me some lunch meat to make some sandwiches. I got some spaghetti noodles because I'm gonna make some spaghetti, and then I got the sauce for it. Don't fall now. Got me some Pop-Tarts and some apples and some bananas. I love me some bananas. And these new Ruffles I'm about to try. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. See, I told y'all I didn't get a whole lot. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I got some ramen noodles for the kids. I'm about to warm up my curry chicken or chicken curry, whatever they call it. I had leftovers from last night. This is my first time having it, and I must say it's good. And yes, it's in a cup because my best friend just moved in her house, and we couldn't get to all the dishes, so I wanted to take some home so bad. I asked for it in a cup. That is good, y'all. having this big old cutting board right here on my counter too.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.
One of my
I think
favorite
I lie for you. I think I die
turkey
for
breast.
you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller.
Now my lunch is packed for work for tomorrow.
Like controller.
Now I'm about to go put on my shoes so I can get ready and go to the car wash. To the car wash. What's up, y'all? I am now officially, finally, on my way to the car wash. See y'all when I get to the car wash.
They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller.
I gotta pick my wash, y'all. I think I'm gonna pick the Pro.
But you can't just listen, come tell me sorry.
That's crazy, but hey, something about the car wash, y'all. It be so peaceful and cool to me. I would show y'all my face, but I don't know what the hell just happened. Like, my eyes burned bad. But anyway, I love going through the car wash. Oh my God.
But when it comes to you, I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah.
So y'all, now it is time to dry the car off and get my tires together. Let's get to it. I actually really don't have to vacuum a whole bunch because I vacuumed the car the other day, but I'm gonna vacuum it anyway because I'm here. And then, like I said, I'm gonna clean my tires and stuff off and dry the car off. And then, yeah, I think I gotta go to the store, y'all, and get some window stuff. That's what I gotta do.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things.
Time to clean these windows. Kids be so disrespectful. Y'all probably can't see it because of the glare from the sun, but time to clean these windows. Okay, so now I am done cleaning the car, drying it off, putting a little gloss stuff on and cleaning the tires. Now it's time to make it smell good. Gotta put my air fresheners in there. So y'all, I think I am going to end this vlog here because today's vlog was just me going to the gym and the car wash. So I think that's about it. I done worked out, my car clean, it smells good, I smell good, I look good, I feel good, all that. So yeah, until the next video, love y'all, bye.
Smiling back when they pre-knowing
Has it together always.